Okay, pals. Okay, pals. This is a bonus tour. I was offered 3 free nights at the Tuscany with a couple extras. So here we are. We're in room C105. It's near the registration building, but all of the buildings are separate here with the rooms. So here's the door. These are like mini suites, actually.
Who is it?
Okay, upon entry, the first thing that I will share with you is a little kitchenette area. That's right, coffee maker, refrigerator. Don't see a microwave. Table and chairs. Nice sitting area, plenty of room to spread out. Nice desk. Not much of a view, just a view of the walkway. And then we have a room with twin beds. Nice dressing mirror. Closet with safe. And then entry to the bath with the 1 sink vanity, glassed in shower, tub, and a bathroom closet. And that concludes my tour. Not bad actually, and kind of quiet over here for a Saturday night. Someplace you might want to consider. It's only a block or it's just past Koval Lane on Flamingo Road. Look it up. Tuscany Casino and Hotel. All right, hope you enjoyed the tour. Good night.